All aboard the alphabet train! Are you ready to meet some animal friends and tasty treats? Let's go!
A is for alligator, snapping at the sun. A is for apple, a snack for everyone.
B is for bear, furry and big. B is for banana, peel it and take a swig.
C is for cat, meowing at the door. C is for cherry, I want a little more. D is for dog, wagging his tail. D is for dragon fruit, pink without fail. E is for elephant, with a trunk so long. E is for elderberry, making us feel strong. F is for frog, jumping in the lake. F is for fig, a sweet treat to bake. G is for giraffe, reaching for the trees. G is for grape, purple as you please.
H is for horse, galloping around. H is for honeydew, growing on the ground.
I is for iguana, green and slow. I is for iceberg pier, watch it grow. J is for jellyfish, floating in the sea. J is for jackfruit, big as can be. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. K is for kiwi, fuzzy on the top. L is for lion, hear him roar. L is for lemon, sour to the core. M is for monkey, swinging from the vine. M is for mango, sweet and divine. N is for nightingale, singing in the night. N is for nectarine, a juicy delight. O is for owl, wise and gray. O is for orange, brighten up your day. P is for pig, playing in the muck. P is for pear, oh what luck. Q is for quail, small and quick. Q is for quince, for a jam that's thick. R is for rabbit, with ears so tall. R is for raspberry, tiny and small. S is for snake, slithering along. S is for strawberry, where berries belong. T is for tiger, with stripes of gold. T is for tangerine, easy to hold. U is for unicorn, magical and white. U is for ugly fruit, a bumpy delight. V is for vulture, flying high. V is for velvet apple, give it a try. W is for whale, splashing in the blue. W is for watermelon, juicy for you. X is for x-ray fish, see-through and thin. X is for jigua, let the eating begin. Y is for yak, with hair so long. Y is for yuzu, tart and strong. Z is for zebra, black and white. Z is for zucchini, a healthy bite.
Wow! So many animals and so much fruit! Great job learning your ABCs. See you next time!